Hey, it's Phil here from philcarrick.com, and in this short video today, what I'm going to do is show you the importance of how fast or slow your website loads. Okay, why does that matter? Well, it can have a significant effect on where Google places your website in the search engines, i.e. search engine optimization. If it loads slow, okay, then it will have a significant impact on your SEO. Sorry, I do apologize. There's a call coming through and I'll look at it. Sorry. Okay, so I just want to show you one of my websites here, redchilidigital.com. Now this is not very good. Load time 5.68. It fluctuates. It goes from like 5 to about 8, and it's not good. Okay, you might think it's good because in the grand scheme of things it doesn't seem a lot. Okay, but it is. It is for Google's perspective, and more importantly, well, not more importantly, but also for your readers, and your prospects. Okay, so the place where you want to go to check it out first is tools.pingdom.com. Tools.pingdom.com. Just pop your website in here, and also where the closest where you're going to test it from, which is closest to you, and then start test. And it'll give you some suggestions down here as well, okay, that you could send to your web developer. Now, I just want to show you the difference here. So that's one of my sites. Another one is philcarrick.com, which I've optimized. Okay, and if we have a look at philcarrick.com, I think that's coming in at under two seconds, or it certainly was. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's gone up. Okay, 2.19. All right. It was under like two seconds a few minutes ago, but anyway, it does fluctuate. Okay, so that's a little bit better, 2.19. So a couple of reasons why what could be slowing down your site. The first one are images. Okay, this is a big thing. Okay, people forget about that, but there's a website you can go to, tinypng.com, tinypng.com. You just click up here, okay, upload your original image, and then you can download it as a compressed image, and then just put that onto your website, or send that to your web designer, okay? Because if you've got a load of images, that will massively slow down the load speed of your website, okay? If you have videos, a place to go is handbrake.fr, handbrake.fr. Okay, it's a French site, works really, really good. You do have to download it, but then again, what you can do is upload your original video and then download it as a compressed video. Works really, really well. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. Just take a wee look at the load speed of your website. See how you're getting on. Even direct your web designer, if you have one, to this site, and then he or she can have a look at these improvements and make the necessary improvements. So I hope you found that useful, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.